You are going to love the 2020 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, autonomous braking, rear view camera, leather upholstery. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.